I made this hammer out of marshmallows, and I thought we'd give it a try. Oh, that material is much too soft. Today we're building toys that are all about materials and their properties. Why are some materials great for certain toys and terrible for others? Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Oh, that's really good. For over 25 years, I've been teaching kids to build their own amazing toys. Toys that spark the imagination and bring learning to life. Welcome to School of Toy.